High Rotation is a celebration of 30 years of Brisbane music from 1989 to the present. It features an incredible array of music videos, costumes, ephemera, instruments, photos, and it really is looking at how Brisbane has set the scene for Australian music in the last 30 years.
The exhibition itself came through a very deep sort of engagement process with talking to people in the industry. The exhibition's telling the story of the creation of music, the industry and the community that sit around that in Brisbane.
The brief given to Maxell was specifically because of the video range that we had from the 80s, and we really needed very bright, vivid colors to make those videos pop out of the screens. These projectors, they have one setting that is called perfect fit, and this building, being heritage, is a bit of a difficult building sometimes for install. That technology allows us to, in minutes, set them perfectly again in the screen. No leaking, no light anywhere. It's perfect.
So when it came to honouring the art that's in videos and all of the creation that goes into music, we had to make sure that the way the videos were presented in an exhibition space were really high quality. The screens have to be high quality and the projection has to be high quality, or there's no point.
With music, we really tried to capture the emotion and feelings that you experience when you're listening to music. And we thought the perfect way to do that would be to include music video. We couldn't do that without the support and the innovation of Maxell.
It was sort of a really mutual beneficial partnership for the museum, for Maxell and for Nightlife to work together to make sure we could elevate the quality of music video in a museum.
The benefits of using Maxell technology in the High Rotation exhibition was that the museum was able to think outside the box. We were able to bring incredible clarity and colour into the music videos that are on display in the exhibition.
We found a way through the Nightlife platform, which is a technology platform which can drive video onto the large screens. So the benefit of that is that we could include over 80 music videos in this exhibition.
Our experience with Maxell has been incredible, so supportive, always problem solving, and has enabled to take our exhibitions to the next level. It's been an incredible experience that we hope will continue into the future.